ask me send tip off Jaii Frais and Jaii Frais stay up on guard and wait till no forward.
You chose to go try and intimidate with this badness fuckery with our next man where I come out of the bathroom. Yeah, batty boy. Listen.
Alright, people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing great. So, in this one, today, I want to give you an update for really take place. Saying, I did a couple investigations here and there, and I came up with the answer. You're not going to miss this, so make sure you say, like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Also, I'm going to hear what a few people have to say about what took place. Alright? Some people were in the area and see what them see and share what they understand about this thing. Alright? So, let me give you my assessment first, and then we get into what people are saying. Then, we make you know my final thoughts. Alright? So, here we go. What I think happened here is that Jaii Frais got tipped off, or he knew of 450 and about 15 rubber tail behind him. Alright? So, what I think that Jaii Frais knew about this plan. He got tipped off, and then him link up with one of them little thugs them in that place, and them just scheme a thing for go and lock. Alright? When Jaii Frais go to the bathroom or wherever and claims him go, and them corner him, and that's so Jaii Frais pull him like a super soaker and start soak them with it. Alright? Me no feel like say, no J Flicks did that take place. This amazing story how him wrestle off man and disarm man and start beat it in a film direction and take himself like John Wick. You understand? That story is for people that love stories. As I say, Jaii Frais knew of this thing and he armed himself and defended himself. Clearly, the weapon that he was using, it never have no formal license attached to it. Alright, so that the police are probe right now. Who fast trap. Alright? So Jaii Frais just spin it on the brother where come from the rubber tail crew. Alright? That is the perfect assessment to this thing. There is no other way. Alright? And these are the reason why I said there's no other way. The brother when named Javi will come from Millsboro. Millsboro uptown, you know. And a normal uptown that. Alright? Javi more than likely see Jaii Frais with the strap and Papa feel one and start beat it back at Jaii Frais, and that's the reason why Javi strap get involved. Alright? So that take place. But people wanna share their thoughts on this in the comment section and let me know what you think about my theory about this thing. Alright, that's my assessment and that's how I come up with do my investigation, and based on what the cops say and what people say in the area. This is how I come up with. Jaii Frais hear about 450 and he that them a look for him. Jaii Frais link one and he could charge them, get a piece, tuck him piece. When him there somewhere now, it's like in that will lay with them. And then now we start beat the binds after them. Javi see the play and start beat Fame thing too. And that's how Fame thing get involved. That's how I think. Maybe the box go on or whatever him claims to go on. But no wrestling, no, and disarm, nobody never go on. Yes, man. That's my thing. That the kind of story they have people will love story and mix up. That's how I think. But people, as I say, share it in the comment section on this. So I'm going to give you some feedback about where I go on now. See, because I don't understand this entourage business, you know. From the bounty killer them days and alkaline days and cartel them days. I never understand this crash dummy business. As I said, the rubber tail them. And most of the time, you know, at the rubber tail them get the artists them in a problem, you know. Yes, man. Some crash dummy. At them always I get the artists them in a problem because they do some things where the artists never tell them to do. And get the artists them in a problem. Alright? So, this 450 business now, this Javi business, I am sure that, or me almost sure say, based on what me are here, me no feel like say, the Javi brother I got draw strap from free. Yeah, man. So, as I say, people, just share it in the comment section. So, I could hear what I go on differently. Check this out.
Imagine, right? Imagine on a day of magnificence and Jamaican women just being outside, beautiful and half naked from about 9 o'clock in the morning to about 9 o'clock next morning, right? There has been nothing but so body jaw outside, body big so just outside, nice and clean and moisturized for the viewing of everybody to appreciate. And you as a man, you take up yourself along with 14 other man. Figure page man when him a come out of the bathroom. Yeah, one batty boy. Listen to me. There are so many things wrong with this equation here, right? So many things wrong. You could have been out enjoying the night with a lovely young dark-skinned lady, right? A lovely young lady. But you chose to go try and intimidate with this badness fuckery with our next man will come out of the bathroom. Yeah, batty boy. Listen to him, you say, man. Not only did you almost give away your 3 points for Batmanism, you failed at this intimidation method. You went up to this man, got kung fucking food, and return. The man shot you with one of the people them want a gun. You are a batty boy. I know for a fact you are sitting there saying, holy shit, this could have all been avoided if I had just stayed where the fuck I was. Matter of fact, you are sitting down there right now and say, look how me did a dance with a big batty girl earlier, and now me in the hospital. And now me look like a big... Are you fucking insane? Love manism a kill all I don't know in a dog. It had kill no better. Because Pantut, the mighty God, bro. Oh God, youth. Me no feel sorry for none of you.
People, based on my previous video on my post yesterday, my first assumption was that Jaii Frais must have him strapped because I would take place with him. One at the time, Jaii Frais released a video say he got robbed. Them broke in them house and house, them thief and balancing. Alright, so me feel like say that was solid grounds for Jaii Frais get armed. Alright, but clearly this was not the case because see Jaii Frais get involved now with illegal strap. Alright? And nobody no want to claim it. Jaii Frais smart enough to pin it upon them and them, which is a good move. Alright? And Jaii Frais have connections. You understand? I hope a connections Jaii Frais have in rub shoulder with enough people uptown. So I think this will be a fairly easy case with Jaii Frais brush off. Alright? But share your thoughts in the comment section. So the next clippings I want to show is somebody where I share similar sentiments to what I explained to you in the first part of the video. That brother basically I say the same thing or similar. Check this out.
Yo, Javi and 450 team. When you now look for man in a party, when you already know say man in a party, you don't need to ask no question. You don't know who you ask. You see me? Yeah, because the man when me hear saying ask, me hear saying tip off Jaii Frais and Jaii Frais stay up on guard and wait till no forward. And you know say once Jaii Frais knows say not forward, he already have the advantage because you don't think an ambush not ambush Jaii Frais, but Jaii Frais prepare for them to have a fair fight. You see me I say? So at the same time, I know say you never want to go to no can and knocking and clappings. But I know say you just want to go to Jaii Frais, bad him up, probably give him a conk or something like that to make the reputation keep on going. You see me I say? Cause you feel offended for what he do to you. You see me I say? Yeah man, and I have a little thing but 450 do a song where say not suck no pussy like Jaii Frais, kiss no pussy like Jaii Frais. You see me? So I know say I have like a verbal thing going and I know say you never want you go too far to the can level. You see me with can of fire and knockings and clappings and man go to ER or hospital or doctor or whatever. You see me? Yeah man, so I hear say Jaii Frais in a hospital too, so I don't know if it's a friendly fire or I don't know if one of the entourage or the same Javi fire back a can pan him. You see me? So as I say, When you learn from these people, when you look for somebody, stop ask random people question and not ask nobody question. If you're on the right hand or on the left hand, not ask no more question. Just
Alright, people, so when you see your favorite artists out there in the public, you have to understand, say, them always have somebody who are willing to lose them freedom or even them 3 points to please the artist there. So we have to be careful how we talk about them, how we approach them and them thing there, because most of them artists are dopey, but you know. Some of them just lucky to escape their misery. You understand? And live a life where I tell you, say, even though them get exposed to a lifestyle, them still have the same down in the gully mentality. Alright? And that's the problem with most artists nowadays. Them left they get about the get on left them. It's just like how them say, Boto in a Benz is still a Boto.
Anytime I come out and I give me warning, you know, something always happening, you know. In less than a week or a couple days, something always happening, you know. And it's like the man them see my video, and it's like the man them nah learn. See it there now, 450 career I got dead right here now, you know. All because of foolishness. Look how much artists out there where vlogger talk about and say them fall off. I saw the game go a trolling, and at the end of the day, you have other people out there who give their opinion on dancehall music, and you know that never see them and rush them, you know. You not see the Anthony them, you not see the Winford them, you not see none of them man there and rush them. But because I feel like say alright then, Jaii Frais I want to look idiot. I don't feel like say yeah. I tell you already, you know, you not learn, you know, music and badness no work, youth. Right now, you know. Right now, as me talk to, you know. As simple as I see it, you know. Javi them can go to prison, you know. I wonder if you know realize, say, gun thing and a drug thing. A man not supposed to see a firearm, you know, if it lies now unless him are dead, you know. Did you know that? You know, say, if a man see a license firearm, him can actually tell a lie on you. Him can actually tell a lie upon you and make you lose your license firearm, you know. And you can go to prison for it, you know. Yo, the youth are come from far. The youth are come from far. When they do Javi background check, Javi wasn't a bad man. Me telling you all the while, you get rich, take care of your family, take care of your friends. The whole of an artist.
Man, so when you get rich, you're supposed to take out yourself out of the ghetto. Alright? And take your friend them out of the ghetto too. If you can, that is. Because you have to understand, say, most of the time, your friend them always try to work on your demise, your downfall, and take back the riches they find, because in their mind, and them should have made that move, and them should have get through with that, and them should have that look there. So at the end of the day, you have to make sure, say, those friends is actually friend. And friend don't necessarily mean as somebody where you each up one corner with and dig out and miggle and drink, boom, and run with it. Alright? Them they're not your friend, them they're your associates. You have to always remember that. So people, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We could try to bring that channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. We're going good so far. So I'll just keep up with trend. So another thing more I mention before I leave is a marketplace site that I promote. It named treasureyard.com. Alright? I want to go over there and support it. Just post on a car and them thing there. On a house pan it. On a can just post that because I do a Google run pan it right now where it will be heavily promoted. So I just take the opportunity and post on a listing pan it. Free, of course. Alright? So just scan the QR code and just go up on the site, sign up and post on the listings pan it. Car, house, if you don't have a skill or anything like that, you can just post pan it too. If you're a taxi driver, you can post on it too. Alright?
Subscribe to the channel and let's reason in the comment section.
I tell you to freaky scratch? No, bro. Yeah. Did I tell you to freaking move? No, ma'am. Run.